everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you some designer sleeves for kurtis and also will tell you how you can turn your existing plain sleeves into a designer one. So let's quickly jump to the video. In this plain kurti, you can attach multicolor floral print net fabric on top of your existing sleeves and it will turn into a new one. Also, you can add these type of golden beaded laces by just wrapping and stitching method to cover your plain sleeves, and this will again give a new look to your existing plain kurti. You can also simply add these type of pleated strips in the bottom of your existing sleeves for a pretty look. You can choose any color of your choice to make such pleated strips. In place of pleated strips, you can also add these type of multicolor triangles in your sleeves for a colorful look. If you have any old sleeveless kurti, then you can always add these type of kalamkari fabric to make a full length long sleeves. It will hardly require around half meter of fabric to make such, but will give your plain kurti a designer look. Instead of kalamkari fabric, you can also make the sleeves from the floral printed net fabric or any other printed sheer fabric will do the job. For plain short sleeves, it will be a good idea to decorate it with some embroidery work or simply stick some flower patches in it like this. But if you want to decorate the full sleeves, then you can perform some zari work vertically in half portion of your sleeves in such a way that it will be visible from the sides only, and this way you will feel comfortable while wearing the heavy outfit. As we are talking about the sleeves pattern, we cannot forget to mention the ruffles pattern. 3/4 sleeves can be turned into a ruffle sleeves by just adding a circular fabric in the bottom of the sleeves. You can also add 2 circular fabrics to make double layered ruffle sleeves pattern like this, and stick some golden laces in the hemline of the sleeves for decorating it further. So I hope you like these simple ideas to decorate your existing plain sleeves. If you find this video a bit useful, then please hit the like button, share this with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.